Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change email address on Reddit. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you recently changed your email address, you might want to update it on all the apps including Reddit. In some cases, you might want to reserve your current email ID for official purposes only. Consequently, you will have a separate email address for all your social media apps similar to how you change your email on Instagram. Reddit also provides you the option to update your email address. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. Very simple. So first of all, of course, you can log in into your Reddit account. After that, you can go to settings by clicking on your profile on the bottom right here. You can open the profile menu. Now you can go to setting, click on settings. Here's on your account section, there is an option email address. You can just click on that. To change your email address, you need to create a Reddit password first. You can just choose on continue. Reddit will send emails to you to create a password. Can wait. We'll check the email from here. So here's the email. Let's check it. You can choose a reset password. Choose Reddit account to continue. Now you can create your new password in here and confirm the new password. Now you can just click on continue. You can login back to your Reddit account. We'll just refresh the page. We need to relogin. Relogin. You can relogin into your account. Now let's go to settings. Choose an email. You can enter your password to change the email. Now you can enter the new email. Click on save. And it's done. Reddit send a confirmation email to your new email. To verify, you can just need to verify and see your email has changed on your Reddit account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change email on your Reddit account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.